Do you ever look at your bank account and just feel completely lost? You're not alone. I used to think budgeting was impossible, a bunch of complicated rules I could never follow. Then I discovered a game changer. Zero-based budgeting. It sounds intense, but it's actually super simple. The idea is that your income minus all your expenses equals zero. You give every single dollar a job before the month even starts. Here's how it works. First, list your income. Then, list your fixed costs, like rent and bills. Next, add your variable spending, like groceries and gas. Don't forget to pay yourself first, with savings and debt payments. Finally, and this is the best part, schedule your fun money. Yes, that daily coffee or weekend trip gets its own budget line. This way, you're not just tracking money. You're telling it where to go. It's empowering, flexible, and gives you total control. No more guessing, no more Ready to make your money work for you? Give it a try and see the difference. Thanks for watching.